So here's how to put manga on your XD Ink X4. First is download the PDF from your source. Then go to this link and then upload the files here. You can change the options here. I suggest landscape for manga and portrait for manhwa. I selected portrait because my example is a manhwa. After processing, you will be able to download the file and then transfer it to your device. Here's an example.